finally here. I'm gonna go in, get changed out of this. Alright guys, so we're gonna go grab some food. Head over to Belle Isle, trying to catch sunset. Hopefully the clouds clear up. A crazy storm came through, so we're hoping some color comes out of this. So, well, as we said, we had to get some food, so we're in the Burger King drive-thru now. In the ghetto, kinda. So, not sure how this is gonna be, but find out.
1353.
Hi.
Behind the black pole. Hold on, we gotta back up behind the black pole.
What?
Why? Hold on, no cars are behind us, right? Should I go in front of the pole?
No, what are we doing?
Should I back up behind? Was it this black pole back here?
This don't make any sense.
Did we go back to the next one?
No, bro.
Did she take my money and run? That's a new one. 1353, please.
Can you back
Here
up
you go.
behind the black pole?
Back up behind the black pole, please, sir. What the?
Dude, what are they spitting in our food?
I don't know, dude. They didn't want us to see what they're doing to it.
Bro, I don't even know if I'm gonna eat this now. What's going on? Yo, I want my food. What? Dude, this don't make any sense, man. I've never been in a drive-thru where they tell you, take your money and tell you to back up. I don't get it.
This is wild.
Hello?
I'm so confused.
I don't know what's going on, bro. Like, what's going on? Dude, we're gonna miss sunset.
Yeah, this is wild. 7:02.
Are they like killing the cow to make our
don't know.
cheeseburgers?
She's pissed, dude. She's spitting it. I watched it.
Where are they going?
Can you zoom in on that shit, dude?
I don't know, man.
Oh, hell no!
Like, what the fuck is going on, bro?
2 hours later.
But is it all worth it if we miss sunset?
No, this is completely not worth it.
That's the ultimate question. That sucks.
20 minutes later.
Ooh, how the see that?
This one's good for onion rings. They got 6 of them.
These are really hot.
Yeah, they fresh.
Holy
I know YouTubers.
yeah. New YouTubing. Oh yeah, say hi YouTube. Cool. Thank you very much.
Have a good one.
Thank
Thank
you. So we made it to Belle Isle, Sunset Point. About to shoot sunset. The clouds are looking really nice. So the sun's about to go over under the horizon. Let's see if I can get you. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. So I will keep you posted, and I will share my photos now. What's up, guys? Day 2 in Detroit. I'm exhausted, as you can tell. It is 5:35 in the morning. Gonna go hit some spots today with John, do some behind the scenes with the GoPro, throw some photos up on the screen to show you guys what I got. Stay tuned. Oh, you ready?
Whew. Alright. Let's get that D! Oh, Detroit. Detroit fire. I think that's a movie or something. Show? TV show?
I wouldn't know. Alright, so as you can tell, we came up to an abandoned hotel for sunrise. It was pretty good, so I'll show you the pictures now. down, shoot, what do you want to call it? The lobby of the hotel?
Yeah,
It's kind of cool looking. It's got some cool architecture, so I'll show you those photos now.
I walked up and I was like ready to rip it, and then no, just there. Okay.
All right, well that was easy. Oh, watch out. Yo, this is wild. Like everything's still here. Look at this.
It's got like all the chairs, the stool desks, and all that.
Looks like they have like security here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they did, look.
I don't know if I take that.
I know. Oh, this is kind of cool. So you saw, we just kind of rolled up on this bando and boom. John pretty much just opened the door like it was nothing, just wide open. So, the magic touch, right? So, John's shooting this, but I probably won't. But if I do, I'll show you the photos now. This is open though, that makes sense.
Oh yeah. Probably should skip all this.
This will be easier though.
Yeah.
Why would you want?
Well, no, the windows are there. I don't know where the auditorium is.
Oh, it's right in the center.
Oh.
Yeah, there's a bucket right there. We take that.
Got it.
Thank you. We don't need you stepping on any nails today.
Not today, dude. But I got my tetanus shot, so I'm good now.
I remember that.
Oh, I see it, right?
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, that's fun.
Told you, right in the center.
Yeah, I don't know. I never shot this one.
It's pretty good. Yeah, I don't know why when I was here the last time I didn't shoot this. You want to start from? That's a little creepy, knowing that I just got left here. What's up? Yeah, figured.
So see with the penis.
No way. Oh my.
Did they give him a white penis on purpose?
Yeah, there's a gym right there. Sando dust. Gotta love it. You need me to take your camera? Got it?
No. Well, that's what I'm like.
Oh no, it's not bad. No. Dude, it's bright as
Watch what falls through the floor.
pretty easy.
Yeah, I just thought I was gonna like kick through the floor.
Oh. Can I take my phone out of my back pocket?
I gotta walk in my back.
Do what? Them lights are bugging me. They're all center. I'll probably just Photoshop them out. Or move it.
Oh, right.
I might just move one.
God. To try and...
Hey, there's your bra, bro. Just your size, man.
Oh,
I told you stop taking ladies here.
shit, man. Bando bra.
Alright, that spot's a wrap. This is f***ing wild. This is like apocalyptic. Oh my god. Do you hear that? Bro, I don't know what that is, but I hear people.
fucking mom.
I heard. I thought it was just
I thought it was the wind through the door. And then
it smells glorious in here.
no, I was seeing this.
Oh yeah, yeah. Don't stand on that.
Don't go near that, because look how far of a drop that is.
This floor is sketchy. This is where you have to be careful.
Mosquitoes in here, dude.
Is there?
Yeah.
I'm getting good lighting again. I hope it stays. Did the lighting work out for you down there?
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oops. What's up guys? So as you can tell, I had a crazy time in Detroit. If you liked that video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to be notified every time I upload. Peace.